Hi viewers, welcome to our channel RGS Info. This video covers P2P process, that is Procure-to-Pay process, and how it can be reconciled in Excel. I just give full steps how it can be done in Excel. First step is requisition, identifying the need and requesting the purchase with technical specifications. Like if you are going to procure laptops, then you should cover technical things like model number, RAM, hard disk, quantity, and unit price if it is already discussed with multiple vendors. So based on that, we can put unit price. So based on that, we raise one request ID, requisition ID. So once this is done, then it will move to next one. Purchase order will be created. Purchase order number should be given for each request. Based on request, we can able to follow with vendors. Again, the same configuration should reflect here. PO, purchase order, based on request IDs. If it is multiple requests are there, so based on that we have to give some PO ID. Item and RAM should be matched while raising PO. It should be a same. If it is a less, that can be decided by purchase team. Configuration and quantity unit prices are correct or not, we have to check it. For that, we can able to write formula. The column should be matched with all technical configurations and quantity and unit price. So index comma match. First it should match with model, then RAM, then hard disk, then quantity, last unit price. Okay, same thing should be there in request. Ampersand, ampersand, hard disk, ampersand, quantity, ampersand, unit price, comma, 0 for exact match, bracket close, control shift enter. So perfectly it is matching. This order is ready, so we have to send it to vendor. Once this is done, PO ID is created. This should go to vendor. Based on PO order, vendor will give products. Once the vendor sends the products to us, then we have to verify whether the product is matched with our PO. Again, we have to do same thing. Based on PO, we have to give goods receipt number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So again here goods receipt number should match with the PO raised. Here we have to match with PO number. Once we get goods, we have to give goods receipt number. Based on that, we have to reconcile with PO. Index match PO. PO, then item, then RAM, hard disk, quantity, unit price. That should match with purchase orders. PO ampersand ampersand RAM ampersand hard disk quantity unit price comma 0 for exact match bracket close control shift enter. Every column should be matched with configuration as well as quantity and unit price. Based on GR, vendor will raise invoice. Match should be PO. With goods receipts based on PO. We have seen PO, then item, RAM, hard disk, quantity, unit. Check in PO ID, then item, then RAM, then hard disk, quantity, unit price. 0 for exact match, bracket close, control shift enter. If any mistake is happened, it will give error. Okay, so it is tightly integrated, so each and every column is we are verifying. Finally, for making payment there is no need to worry about much one-to-one checking. So this is via invoice 1, we are simply checking the invoice number 1, two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10th column. If anything is mismatched, then we have to talk to vendor and we have to get it back the materials. And one more thing, based on goods receipt only, the invoice should be generated. If the one PO can be, goods can be delivered with multiple times. So in that case, we have to go with some ifs function. If you like this video, please share it, comment it, please do subscribe for upcoming videos. Thank you.